Running a client-focused business means managing a lot of moving pieces, from engaging leads and building trust in your expertise to managing your projects. The right tools can help you reach more clients, simplify your intake and invoicing process, and dedicate more time to growing your business. With Squarespace, you can create a site using one of our templates designed for service businesses, such as photography or design. To attract new clients, highlight your work in a portfolio and add a contact form to collect leads. When a lead fills out a contact form, Squarespace automatically stores their information, so you can quickly create a project from a form submission or add those details to an invoice. Manage your workflow with projects. Projects allow you to track upcoming milestones and deadlines, project notes, and invoice status, all from the project detail page. Get hired and onboard clients with documents such as proposals, estimates, and contracts. Click Create from the Invoicing dashboard or from your existing project, and you can select from several different document types. Proposals, a high-level overview of your business and services to secure a lead's business. Estimates, an outline of the services you'll provide for a project and the associated costs. Contracts, an outline of your terms of service, project expectations, and deadlines. Once you create the document using one of the templates, replace the content with your information and customize the layout, fonts, and colors. Create a custom design or apply your existing site styles to match your website's look. To create another, duplicate a document to speed up your process. Get paid with Invoices. Click Create from the Invoicing dashboard or from your existing project. Make sure you've connected a payment processor such as Squarespace Payments so you can get paid. Invoicing is available on any Squarespace plan, and you're only charged for payment processing, no added fees or charges. Click Create Invoice and add or create a new client. Create line items for each item or service, and make sure to include the quantity and the invoice due date. Click Styles to match the invoice to your site's branding and create a professional-looking invoice. Apply your site styles to your invoice with just one click, and then make any adjustments as needed. Consider styling other customer emails like payment confirmations to match the invoice email. Send the invoice to your client or vendor, and they'll get an email including all of the invoice details and can click Pay Now to pay directly through your website. Clients can pay with major debit and credit cards, Afterpay, Apple Pay, ACH Direct Debit, and other popular payment methods. Once your project's all paid and completed, consider highlighting it in your website to continue to attract new clients.